He's got all that shit turned off.
Little slip and slide. You load your undies up and you lose your confidence.
Bit slippery, that one.
How's your day been?
Not too bad. How are you?
That's the one that claims everyone. I'm pretty sure that's it. That's the one that claims everyone. Righto, we'll just make our way to bloody Moon and Flat now. Oh, back there's like rocks all over the bloody road. Alright. Glenrock Station. There you go. Not Elliston, eh? This is it. Right boys, got the camera on. What do you reckon for the weekend, the Walcha weekend and the ride up here?
Mate, that was horrible. I'm never doing that again. What were you thinking? That was min. That 20 Creeks was something else. That was good fun.
I've said it's
Thank you.
the best one I've had so far. The meal.
Is it? You're right. We're right. Moon and Flat. So oh, thanks, Tom.
Your backpack and Zolo is with Scott.
I've left it behind.
Go back.
Where the f did I leave that? Yeah, we'll pull into the fires. Pretty cool in here.
Now tell me, did both of you smell that GS, the oil and that GS, the first one that went past?
I could smell something burning.
It was rich as.
Well, we're about 40k from the servo. How many k you reckon you got on your bike? Hey?
Close to 100, I reckon.
Oh, mate, you'll kill it. So it's like this all the way to the tar. Turn right, Stratford, couple of k, there's your servo. And then we'll be south of Gloucester towards home of about 20k.
Yeah, I forgot to reset it when we filled up, but I think it was about 100 k's to that survey.
Righto.
Well done. I've probably done that.
So if you guys want to lead, this is, you've been on this road, Brett?
I've been out here a heap.
A heap?
Yep.
It's fucking beautiful, Brett. If you want to, Brendan, if you want to go first or stay back, what do you want to do?
Yeah, I guess first, so you just follow it.
Yeah, so at the end of this T intersection, go left.
Yeah.
It'll say Moppy to the right. We want to go left.
Yeah.
And follow that around.
Yeah.
It,
Just, it's a good way to finish the day, this road.
it's pretty crazy, isn't it?
Oh, it's just beautiful through. There is a couple of treacherous corners, so just watch them, okay, because they just jump out and they're pretty sharp.
Even that tarmac back there felt like Scotland or something.
Yeah.
Out of the country.
Oh, it's good enough to go for a swim today.